Welcome to my channel. My name is Rio. Today's video is about stationery haul from MUJI from Sunny no. Let's get started. So the first stationery haul is about mechanical pen. This is Uni Kurutoga Advance 0.3 AM White. The color is limited. Let's try this out. It's very easy and smooth to write. Most of Japanese love 0.38 because it's good to write the kanji. The next one is Uni Kurutoga Dive 0.5, the limited edition. This is so unique mechanical pen. This is cascade blue color. When you close your lid and cap, the next time when you open, the lid is there. The cap is magnet, so you don't need to use any power to close. Also, this is automatic grade setup system. You can write without doing anything. This is seriously MUJI mechanical pen. This is moonlight blue color. And it's same 0.5 mechanical pen. The next one is Highlighter 5 color from MUJI. This is my favorite highlighter so far. So this is grayish cyan color. I like this simple design a lot. This is smoky apricot color. Gray color, my absolutely favorite. Lilac color. And the last one is smoky mustard color. So this is the Jet Stream from Uni 0.38 4-in-1. My mentor is using, so I purchased the same thing. Let's try this out. The black color 0.38. The blue color 0.38. Green color 0.38. Red color 0.38. And the last one is mechanical pen, and this is only 0.5. You can refill by opening like this. Just need to pull. I love how convenient and smooth to write. I'm gonna use this for my planner. The next one is Kodomo no Kao Pochito 6 The Weather. As you can see, this is a stamp. I I purchased this for my habit tracker. Include 5 weather stamp in one. You can't divide each stamp. All you have to do is push the mark which you wanted to use. Push, push. This was fun to push. By the way, the ink is already ready. You can use for 1000 times. The next one is Style Fit Master 5 color folder and refills. I normally buy silver color and this seems interesting. I purchased holder and refills. Let's prepare to use. The next one is MUJI Polypropylene Pillowcase S size. I got this for organize my post-it. You can take this out. Not this one. Setting. This fits perfectly and feels so organized. So the next one is Sunny Note. Both notebook is A5 size but a little bit different. Sunny Note for business and this color is ash brown. A5 size and 2.5 grid. I like simple and natural color. This is Sunny logo note, the Fawn brown. They have more other color options. This notebook is a hardcover and include one more notebook. This is a guidebook. Compact and thin. And here it was a logo of Sunny. It's written daily log note, but I will use this for my bucket list. This is index page. This one is grid type too. 112 pages in total. Last one is a craft scrapbook from MUJI. I purchased this for my memory book. From this year, every month I choose some photos and I will put them in this book. The cover is hard and the paper is strong. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!